Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable cookies here in Google Chrome on a PC. So on the upper right corner, click these three vertical dots, go to Settings, and then on the left side, go to Privacy and Security. Go to Site Settings. Scroll down until you see third-party cookies under the content portion. Click that one, and as you can see, they are blocked. Click Allow Third-Party Cookies. So in this way, websites can personalize their contents and ads and learn about the actions you take. But the downside of this is that if they have your data, like it might be a compromise for your security because they might sell that to other people. But the good side of this is that when you enter or like when you visit another site, it will be more seamless. Like you don't have to tell your preference all the time and start from zero. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.